So here we are at the treetops in Gatlinburg, and we're leaving, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sad?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here it is. It looks like it was completely redone after the fire. So here's the kitchen. Looks nice, everything's new. Nice tile floor.
Name brand.
Name brand appliances. Nice.
Well,
Accessories. Oh. So then you walk in the front door, and to your left is a guest bath. And then here is a guest bedroom. It has two, I guess, twin beds. Sorry, it's dirty because we're leaving. It's a little messy. But there's that. And then here is the little dining area. Got vaulted ceilings. Nice little sitting area, and you do have a nice gas fireplace, which you turn on by using that little knob there. Puts out a little heat. It is nice. Yep, you do. Sorry to make you all dizzy. You do have a nice little bar top here that you can sit at and chat. People in the kitchen. You do have a small TV. It's pretty small for the size room, so they could have went a little bit bigger with the TV. You do have a nice little balcony. You can hear the creek, which is really nice. Little ambient sound if you want to leave your window or door cracked. Here is the master bedroom, and this one is just a queen size bed, so there is not a king size. So if you're looking for that, I don't know if they offer it or not. This room also has its own balcony. And then here is here is the master bath. Nice double vanities, big bathroom, big jacuzzi tub, and then a little commode. So that is it. You do have another small TV here, and there is also a small TV in the guest, in the other bedroom as well. It is small, like I said, compared to the room and compared to just TVs that people have in their places today. So there it is. There's a ceiling fan. In that room, there's a closet in there that my daughter likes to hide in. So there it is. It is really nice, really clean. You have carpeted floors and tile floors. So, like I said, everything appears new, rebuilt after the fire. So there is a indoor pool, and it has a jacuzzi and also an activity center that you can use while you're here. So here we are outside, and this is the kind of under the resort parking. They do have a nice little area for grilling and a little gazebo and just a nice pretty little area. And here is the indoor pool entrance. You see they do have a nice deck here. You can sit out here and enjoy the weather. Let's go into the pool. Let's see. So here's the indoor pool. Here's the jacuzzi. It's not turned on right now, but it feels wonderful. More seating. There is a sauna here that is really nice for getting out of the pool and helps dry you off. Then you can go upstairs. You can see downstairs you can have access to the racquetball court. And then upstairs here you can look at the racquetball court, people playing down there. So that's pretty cool. I don't think too many places offer that, so if you're looking for racquetball, this may be a good option for you. And then there's just bathrooms up there. So, more seating, nice pool, it's warm. We spent several hours here yesterday in the pool and in the jacuzzi, and it's wonderful. There are several levels. There are 2 to that building, there are 3 to this building, and then there are several other buildings. But they do have elevator access, so if that's something you need, they do offer elevator access. So it looks like they have shuffleboard out here. They also have a little putting green. So that's really cool. So that's nice. So if you're into shuffleboard, which is a lot of fun if you've never tried it. So we're gonna go over here and check out the activity center. All right, so we didn't know this area was here, but this is a really nice area. This is, they have a nice play jungle gym for the kiddos. And then just the water running here is just so relaxing. They have a nice little swing. Just listen to that. It's beautiful. So then up here, yeah, there's a lot of be alert for bears signs, so they're hibernating right now. They usually don't come out until April sometime, so we're safe. You can still see they have the Christmas lights and stuff up. But it looks like they have an outdoor pool, which I'm sure is seasonal. So that looks really nice with the waterfall and stuff. It's really cool, really nice place. All right, so we finally found the activity center, and they do have some movies that you can rent for $1 a piece, I believe. They have some board games, a little area for activities that they have throughout the week. They have a foosball table, and a small air hockey, and a pool table for your enjoyment. They're all free to play. They have some other games as well. Internet is available in this room only. Throughout the other parts of the resort, it is really difficult to get any kind of signal or internet. So keep that in mind. Also, it is about a 35-minute walk from the treetops down to Gatlinburg, so you probably want to drive down there to enjoy all the shops and activities. Other than that, we really enjoyed staying at the treetops and would highly recommend to anybody if you're in the area looking for a nice place to stay. It's clean, and it looks like they're still building. They're adding another outdoor pool, and hopefully they'll expand the wireless throughout the resort. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.